Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to undo delete in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple, and there are actually two ways how to do that. The first way is, let's say I will delete this task 2. So right click and delete task. In order to undo delete, this window will pop up and I can press undo. But what if I didn't make it? So let's say I will delete this task and this pop-up will not be shown. So how do I find this task? So it is actually pretty simple. Go to search this view, then more options, then go to advanced search, set status to deleted, and then press search. Now it will show you the deleted task, and you can simply click right here to undelete. It is really simple if you want to undelete a project. So let's say I will delete this project 55, click on delete and delete. If I want to restore it, I will go to homepage, search, advanced search, click status and select deleted, and now search, navigate to projects, and here click on my project and click on restore project. It is really simple to undo delete in Asana. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.